Hey, Walter Sorrells back again with my series devoted to little tools that are used in the making of Japanese swords and Japanese sword furniture. So today I'm going to be talking about a little tool that is used to make this goodie right here. This is a habaki. Now a habaki is used as a sort of collar around the base of a Japanese blade. And it holds the blade so that it can go into the handle firmly without slipping around. Now, the habaki is traditionally made out of copper, sometimes various other traditional Japanese metals. But in any case, it's a soft metal piece that's made generally mostly by cold forming and a little bit of soldering. So the first operation when you make a habaki is you take a long skinny piece of copper. Let me take this out and show you the final product again. You take a long skinny piece of copper and you fold that piece over. Now to get that piece folded very tightly to the blade, which is important, it's got to fit exactly. Every habaki is made specific to a specific sword. You don't just make a whole pile of them and shove them on every sword. You got to form it properly right to a specific sword. So to do that, you have to fold that piece of copper very accurately around the blade itself. So it's kind of a tricky thing to do, and so I came up with this little gizmo that I call a habaki slammer in order to form that piece tightly to the blade. So here's my little gizmo. It works pretty simply. You have a die and then a tool that drives down into the piece of copper. So basically you lay a piece of copper on the top like this, and then you just hammer this down into this little form here. I just folded over two U-shaped pieces of steel stock. This happens to be 1095, but you could do it with mild steel. That'd probably even be better than this. It'd be a little less fragile. And this one is, I believe, welded in there, but you could also solder it. I've done another one that I did with high temperature solder. That works great. So, pretty simple tool to use, and makes habaki making much easier and gives you a higher quality product at the same time. Hope you're enjoying this series of videos. If you did, check out my website, waltersorrellsblades.com, where you'll find lots more videos in this vein, along with plenty of examples of my own work. Also, like my page, Walter Sorrells Blades, on Facebook. Thanks for watching.